The first time that I saw results from the bioenergetics, I started using the infoceuticals right away, and I didn't really see the results. It was pointed out to me by my husband, and I thought, that's just a fluke. I didn't really trust it right away. I had been having these episodes I've had them all my life, really. But I had been having an uptick in the episodes to where they were happening twice a week. And they would down me for a couple days at a time. My husband noticed that I hadn't had an episode since I started using the infoceuticals, and it had only been a week. And I thought, well, that's just a fluke. Well, the next week went by and another fluke. And it went on for a month, and I'm thinking, wait a minute, it's been a month and I haven't had an episode. So this is no longer a fluke to me. I didn't keep having them after the use of the infoceuticals, but I thought, okay, well, I can't really say they're the infoceuticals unless I stop taking the infoceuticals, and maybe they come back. So after about 6 months of not having any episodes, I decided, okay, I'm just going to stop using the infoceuticals and just see what happens. And sure enough, I had a major episode that I ended up on the floor, and I passed out. On that fall, I ended up tearing a ligament in my ankle. And in these episodes, when I do end up passing out, all of my vitals go to where you cannot pick them up. I couldn't walk. The pain was excruciating. And so I decided, okay, I'm going to use the My Health and see if I can bring my ankle back on board. By golly, by the next morning, I was able to at least put some weight on my ankle. So I'm thinking, wow, okay, not only should I be using these infoceuticals like I have been, but the My Health was able to bring it so that I could at least put some weight on that ankle. And I thought, this is helpful and a miracle, and I won't question it again. My name is Dawn POLLOCK, CEO of Place of Peace Visionary Reiki or Healing, Colorado.